Hi everyone, thanks for coming. So today I'll be discussing a work in progress which involves creating an interactive soundscape simulator for professionals of the built environment. So here's a very practical roadmap to this session. I'll give an overview to the existing problem with urban noise management, and I'll introduce a long-term solution along with its barriers and how we're going to overcome these. So sound is considered quite late in city-making decisions. So due to this reactive model, we get a lot of noise pollution, which causes a lot of adverse health effects with expensive Band-Aid solutions. This also produces a mindset where we need to block out sound because it's all bad. That's not a great mindset to have. In response to this reactive system, we want to incorporate a soundscape approach to contribute to a long-term solution. This basically means that we want to start proactively planning for sound while using sound as a positive resource. We do this by considering the entire context of the urban space as it's experienced by people and help cater designs to fit what people want it to do in that space. Now, when doing so, we can facilitate a lot of positive activities in a better sounding place and avoid many sound complaints in the first place. But these techniques are rarely used due to a lack of infrastructure for sound planning. Two reasons for this are that there is an insufficient curriculum and a lack of tools that allow professionals to do just that. As such, rather than designing nice sounding experiences, they're trapped in a system that values sound levels over positive designs. And not by choice, mind you. This is a systematic problem the world over. Sound is very tricky to deal with without any training or tools, or very minimal at least. So in response, we've been running professional outreach programs through workshops for several years now. We're currently in the middle of developing a new curriculum for sound planning, and we're developing an immersive soundscape simulator to act as a first tool. So regarding our workshops focus on knowledge transfer between academics and professionals. They seek to both train professionals and also to understand the needs of the professionals to help them do their jobs better. So we'd like to have this bi-directional relationship here. So only together can we advance this material to create some truly fantastic soundscapes. Regarding curriculum, the curriculum acts to retrain people's mindsets around sound and gives practical skills. So they provide these relevant skills to the right set of people. So there's a lot of knowledge out there, and not every professional needs every skill. So we want to be realistic about what people learn. With that said, everyone can benefit from understanding the wide-reaching philosophy behind soundscape design. Finally, a tool is in development to help non-sound related professionals plan soundscapes. So this is informed by both academic research and through working with and trying to better understand the needs of professionals. This helps take knowledge into practice, that valuable final step. So some major features of this include manipulation of sound sources in 3D space is an absolute must. We'll be introducing some new ways to visualize sound, different ways to design once, but experience in different contexts. So we can design during 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and perhaps let's do it at a different time of day to see the acoustic consequences of our actions. We'll be providing some built-in training modules, ways to import your own design models to ensure future usefulness beyond the training, and ensure that what you experience in the simulator will be a reasonable reproduction of what you can expect from your final implementation in the real world. Interested in more? Please read our paper, visit us on the web, or of course, give me an email. Thank you very much.